Hi, today I thought I'd share a quick video on how to create a podcast using Audacity. So to do that, we will need to download Audacity. We can do that for free by clicking this link. Once we download the program, we will open up Audacity. Here there's lots of buttons and I'll go over a few of them real quick. But before we even start to build our podcast, there are a few things we want to do on the web. One, we want to get some music. Here's a website I like to use, Jamendo. You can download free music and use it in your podcast. Other than that, you do want to have some sound effects, and I found that soundbible.com is a pretty good site to get a range of sound effects that you can use. So once we open up Audacity, the first thing we want to do is record our voice. To do that, we'll hit Tracks, and we're going to click Add New, and we'll go to Audio Track. You'll see a new one open up here. Now if I hit the record button, which I'll do right now, you can see my voice come through as it records. You'll want to do this either through a headphone set or the built-in microphone on your computer or laptop. That's what I'm choosing to do right now. Once you're done, you'll hit stop, and you can see see the different layers. This tool I'm on right now will let me select. It is actually this button right here, the selection tool. Here, say I want to highlight this part and have a fade in, or I believe that's what they call it, a fade in. I can go to the effect button here and we can fade it in. Now it'll start off quiet and get louder. It'll fade in. You can do the same thing as an outro, but to make effects and customize different parts of it, you will need to select an area. The other important button here is this move tool or time shift tool. Here I can click on that and I'm able to move this piece of audio file around how I want. So for me, I like to have things a little more manageable. Let's say we downloaded some music. We want to add that. You can have the file that you have here. You can simply drag and drop it in, and it will load into Audacity. Another way to do that is to hit File, and you can import audio. Two different ways to do it. And we can do that with our sound effect as well. Let's say we want to add this sound effect. Now I have these different pieces of audio. I'll make them a little nicer so I can move them. And remember, I'm on the time shift tool here. I'm able to move them around. Here I want my background sound. Maybe I want this sound effect here to play at this particular point. And my audio of my voice, I want to start right here. Now, this does take some time to work with, but these are the two main tools you want to use. To get more help on that, you can click Help and Manual, and it will bring up this nice website here, which will show you exactly how to use Audacity and all the different tips it does have. And here's a podcast I created on Halloween for my students in my line of work. I'll fade out with that. Thanks for watching.
Wahahaha! Happy Halloween! Today, I'm going to share with you a brief history of where Halloween actually comes from. Did you know that Halloween's origins date back to the ancient Celtic festival